welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so I really hope you guys enjoy it, and if you want to see how I achieved this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. And just so you guys know, we are having a 50% off sale on our Lash website, shopsofiebella.com. So if you guys have always wanted to try our lashes, this is a good time. Unfortunately, we're not going to be restocking anything. So once it goes, it's gone forever type of thing. So definitely check it out if you guys haven't already. So the palette that I went in with is the ABH Norvina Collection Volume 4, I believe. And I'll link everything down below. But I'm first going in with the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and I'm just applying that all over my eyelid as a primer. The first shade that I'm going in with is B3, which is this really light matte brown shade, and I'm just picking that up with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to be putting that in my crease, just going in back and forth motions as my transition shade. And because we're going in with a lot of bright colors, I like to go in with a really neutral color first, just to give everything a nice effect. And then next I'm going in with the shade E5, which is this really neon pink shade, and I'm just picking that up with a defined angled brush, and I'm starting to map out where I want to add definition in my crease. And then going back into B3, which is that first transition shade that we picked up, I'm just going to be going directly over that line just to smooth everything out. And I'm just going to be softening the sharpness of the line. I still want to have definition in my crease, but I do want it to be nice and blended. And then going back into my Huda Beauty concealer, I'm just going to be cleaning up all over my lid. I definitely want this look to be more clean and sharp, so I'm just going to be applying this all over my eyelid, and then whatever shades you apply on top, it's just going to appear a little bit more vibrant and it's going to pop a little bit more. So the shade that I chose to go in with is the Colourpop Jelly Munch Shadow in the shade No Rest for the Vivid. It's kind of a pinky type of shade with a lot of purple iridescence. And then I decided to layer a glitter over top. Unfortunately, the name of this glitter scratched off, but you can just use any purple glitter that you can find. And I'm just packing this all over my lid. And then going in with our Shop Sophie Bella lashes, I'm going in with the style Bahama. And like I said, we're having a 50% off sale, so definitely look at the link. Click the link in the description box down below if you guys want to check out our website. And then moving on to the lower lash line, I'm just going in with this pink shade once again, and I'm just going to be applying it to the outer corner, fading it inwards. And the very last thing that I like to do is apply some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any of our videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!